Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone runs a supported iOS and you have the Fampay account, phone number, and passcode ready. Once done, open the Fampay app and grant permissions if prompted. This lets the app access secure settings. Next, navigate to the profile or settings icon at the bottom. That first tap begins device lock setup. Make sure to move now. The app will guide you to security or device lock options to continue the process. Once you reach security, select device lock and choose passcode versus biometric. You choose based on convenience and threat model. You then create a strong passcode, use numbers and letters if allowed, and confirm it. This is the primary lock. After that, enable Face ID or Touch ID for faster unlock, if offered, and set auto lock timeout to a short interval. These steps enforce how and when the app blocks access, so configure timeouts to balance. You finish by testing. Close Fampay and reopen to confirm the passcode and biometric unlock work reliably. Make sure recovery options are recorded, a backup PIN, registered email, or linked phone so you can regain access if needed. If something goes wrong, don't panic. Follow the app's account recovery flow first, and then contact Fampay support with verification details if recovery fails. One key tip: if biometrics fail repeatedly, temporarily switch to passcode to avoid lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.